Would you believe that simply by installing and keeping the Honeygain app on your smartphone or PC, you can easily earn money every day? With the Honeygain app, you don't need to watch any ads or complete any tasks. Just install it and let it run in the background, and you'll earn money. You might think that what I'm saying is false, or that such apps are a threat to our privacy, or that your personal data might be stolen. All these doubts, as well as how to create an account on this website, set up the app, and start earning money, will be clearly explained in this video. Not only that, but this video also provides you with a coupon code. By entering it, you'll get $3. So make sure to watch the entire video without skipping. First, let's see whether Honeygain is legitimate or a scam, and whether it poses any risk to our privacy. Honeygain claims on its official website that it is fully encrypted. To verify this, we can use ChatGPT. I'll now ask ChatGPT whether Honeygain is safe and legitimate, and whether our data will be stolen. As you can see, the conclusion is that this app is legitimate, and your data will not be stolen. We can trust this ChatGPT conclusion. But let's also look at Honeygain's Trustpilot ratings and reviews. Honeygain has over 18,000 reviews on Trustpilot, with an overall rating of 4.6. These are very good ratings. Additionally, this Trustpilot profile is a claimed profile. The Honeygain website responds to 100% of negative reviews, so if you have any issues, you'll get a resolution. Considering all this, it's clear that Honeygain is a 100% legitimate and safe platform. However, you might still have some reasonable doubts. You might wonder how simply installing and keeping the app running can earn you money, and what benefit the creators of Honeygain get from this. This is a fair question. Let's now see how Honeygain makes a profit. When you install the Honeygain app on your device and let it run in the background, it starts using your unused bandwidth while you browse the internet. Honeygain uses this unused bandwidth to act as a proxy network service. It provides residential IPs to large companies, marketing firms, and research organizations. These IPs are used for accessing various websites, price comparisons, ad testing, and similar purposes. For this, Honeygain earns money from these companies, and a portion of that income is shared with you. I hope everything is clear to you now. Now, let's quickly see how to create an account on this website, install the app, and start earning money. First, go to honeygain.com, click on the login button on the left side. Next, click on the create an account button in the top right corner. On the next page, click on the apply a coupon code button. In the tab that appears, enter the coupon code MASSTE629E. Once entered, it will show that the $3 coupon has been applied. Remember, this coupon can only be entered when creating a new account. You cannot enter it after the account is created. After entering the code, click on the Google icon below to quickly register your account. Now, we've successfully registered and logged into Honeygain. As you can see, the $3 from the coupon code has been added to our balance. Now, to start earning money, we need to install the Honeygain app on our device. Click on the Download App tab above. Here, you'll find download links for Honeygain on Windows, Android, macOS, and Linux devices. I'll now install the Windows app and show you how it works, followed by how to use it on Android. Click on the Windows button and download the Honeygain file. Once downloaded, click on it and follow the instructions to install the app. After installation, open the app. That's it. From now on, you don't need to do anything else. Just minimize the app and let it run in the background while you do your usual activities like watching YouTube or browsing. You'll earn money automatically. Now, let me show you how to install it on Android. First, go to honeygain.com. Click on the hamburger icon on the right side. Now, click on the download button. On the next page, click on download for Android. Once downloaded, install and open it. When prompted for permissions, grant them. Agree to the terms. Click on the skip introduction button. Honeygain will ask if it can use your mobile data. If you have a large or unlimited mobile data plan, say yes. If you say no, Honeygain will only work when connected to Wi-Fi. I'll click yes. Now click on set mobile data limit and set a limit for how much mobile data Honeygain can use per month. Remember, the more data you allow, the more money you'll earn on Honeygain. Click done. Now disable battery optimization on your device. This will ensure Honeygain runs continuously. Click on sign up and claim. Now log in using the Gmail account you used earlier with the promo code. That's it. We've successfully installed Honeygain on Android. Now, you can keep Honeygain running in the background on your device while you do other tasks. You'll earn money automatically. Now, let's see how to check how much money you've earned through Honeygain. First, go to honeygain.com and log in with the Gmail account you created. Then, click on the overview button on the left. Here, you'll see how many points you've earned. Don't be confused about how much money these points are worth. 1,000 points equal $1. You can also click on the statistics menu to see how much money you've earned each day. Another way to earn money on Honeygain is through referrals. Click on the referrals menu on the left. Here, you'll find your referral link. Copy this link and share it with your friends. If they click on the link and create an account, they'll get $3, and once they earn $20 and withdraw it, you'll get $5. This is how the referral program works. Now, let's see how to withdraw money from Honeygain. Once you've earned 20,000 points, which is $20, click on the Payout button. Then enter your PayPal account details and easily withdraw your earnings. That's it. Alright friends, these are the steps to earn money with Honeygain. Now, I'll share my personal opinion about Honeygain and some tips. In my opinion, while Honeygain pays you for simply keeping the app running in the background, it does consume your device's battery. Not excessively, but a little. This is a minor drawback. Also, you'll earn money faster and more if you have an unlimited data plan. Another important tip: if you install Honeygain on multiple devices using the same Gmail account and keep it running in the background, you'll earn more money faster. Alright friends, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.